Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video. I hope you're doing well and your life is going in a good direction for you. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a bootable USB for Windows installation. You know, in many years ago or in some years ago, whenever we wanted to boot a USB, so we had to go to CMD and type here a bunch of code, and then you could boot our flash or your USB. But right now there is no need for CMD and there is no need to learn this bunch of codes. You can boot the USB through a small program or a small software by the name of Rufus. So to download Rufus software, just open one of our browser. Search here Rufus. This is the official website of Rufus. Just click here. From here you can download any version. So I think this is the best version to download. It's a very small and light software, 1.6 MB. Just click here to download. Then select the location and then press save. So I don't want to download it because I already have in my computer. So after software is downloaded here, you can see Rufus is downloaded here. There is no need to install, just download and work with it. And click to open it. Now you can see the interface of the software. Here in device section you can see there is nothing. To get our USB discovered by this program, so we have to plug in our USB into our computer. Now you can see that it has discovered a USB. So then after that, just we have to click here and select option. Click here. So from here we have to select our Windows setup. So we have to have Windows setup in our computer so that we can put inside our USB. So let me show you how you can download Windows setup from any web browser. Just cancel here. So to download Windows setup, just click here, open any browser in your computer, write here Windows 11, download. This is the official page of Windows. So click here. After that, come here, download Windows 11 disk image. So select here and press download now. Then from here choose the language, then confirm, and then press 64-bit download. After that, select the location of this setup inside your computer and then press save. So here you can see that it is downloading. It is 5.4 GB. So I already have in my computer, so I cancel the downloading. So after the download, Windows downloading is completed, just click here and it automatically goes to the place where Windows setup is located, and then select, press OK. So here in boot section you can see that Windows in the setup is selected here, and in image option don't touch it, just put it as a default. Here in partition scheme it is very important. You can see we have two options, one is GPT and the other is MBR. So to know our partition scheme, it is very important for us. If we select the wrong option, so our installation doesn't work and it gives error. So to know our computer partition scheme, so we have to go here in our PC or my computer and go to manage and click disk management. In here you can see, just right click here and select properties. From here go to volumes, and in partition style you can see my partition style is JPT, so I have to select JPT. If yours is MBR, you have to select MBR. So don't select the wrong option, otherwise it will give error and the installation doesn't work. So here I select JPT, and then you can see these all options, just put them as a default, don't mess with these options. And after that we have to go to start and press start. Don't touch another option here, just press OK. Press OK from here. Just we have to wait here for some minutes. After that our will be booted and we can install our Windows in our computer through bootable USB drive. So here we have to wait for some minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So I pause the video. So you can see that our USB is ready. Just click here, just close it from here, and now we have a bootable USB. Just click here. Now you can see that our USB is booted, and now we can use it to install our window. So it was all from this video. If you have any question regarding this video and regarding other videos, or you just comment in the comment section, and I request you to please share my video with your friends and family and subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and like my video. Till next video, have a good time. See you in another video. Goodbye.